Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust DPIs in GIMP. So I have an image open right now in GIMP, and basically what a DPI is the quality of the image based on the pixels per inch. So a standard DPI for an internet image is 72, for example. For printing a picture, you might want to use a DPI around 200 or 300 even for a very large picture. But basically, when you adjust a DPI, the lower it is, the smaller the image will be, which means faster loading times on the internet, but lower quality for print. So this image right now is set to 72 DPI, and I can check that in GIMP by going to Image, Scale Image. When I click on that, it brings up the Scale Image dialog box, and it shows my DPI right here. It's set to 72 by 72, which is great for the web. But let's say I want to make this more high quality for a print. I can just set that to 200 and then scale it, and that will make it a higher DPI for a higher quality image, also a much larger image. That's how you adjust your DPIs in GIMP. My name is Brian. Thanks for watching.